everyone, welcome to my channel Your Good Vibes Only, and I hope you're following me on Instagram and YouTube and you have been looking at my content. So today I thought of discussing about this same topic which I put a quote on. If you're following me on Instagram, you must have seen that I posted a quote today stating power comes to a peaceful mind. So when I posted this quote, a lot of people started asking me question that they have always come across to the situation where it has been stated that power comes to the powerful mind, and when you are in a powerful position, you don't actually have a peace. So I try to reply to every messages, but then I think I missed out on some, and I wanted to elaborately discuss on this. So this video is gonna tell you how you can achieve a powerful position in your life and what is peaceful mind exactly about. So to achieve a peaceful mind, there is one thing which you really need to do, which is living in your present. And yeah, if we talk about living in present, then you will tell me that yeah, we have heard about this philosophy that when you are living in a present state, then you can be more calm, more centered, more stable and more peaceful. But eventually we all fail because we are human beings and we fail to live in present moment, and it is humanly impossible to stay in the present moment always. So what does staying in present moment actually means? So now if you are currently feeling an emotion or you're thinking out loud about something, okay, so generally what happens is that there is a thought which is connected either about your past or about your future, where there is an anxiety gap, and most of the time you're just making an assumption, okay, and that is not actually happening in your life, but you are somehow wrapped up with this whole imaginary scenario, and it takes away your peace because you are too much worrying or you are thinking about the thing which is not even existing. So if I ask you right now, what are the things that you are actually doing? So for an example, if you're watching this video, you are watching the video, you have your ears at me, your eyes are busy watching the screen. There are a lot of functions which are happening at the moment, right? So I just want you to tell you guys that you being in the moment means you have to center yourself. Now how will you center yourself and how will you achieve a peace is when you will think about small details around you. Now the first step where you need to start with, that if you are crowded with any thought or crowded with any feeling, I want you to snap out of it. Now how will you snap out of it? After being aware that you are thinking or you are you're feeling something which is not actually you're feeling right in this moment, okay. So when you snap out of it, you actually lose the momentum of that thing, and the intensity of that feeling or the intensity of that thought gets absorbed in the moment. Now when you are distracted about it, now I want you to feel the breathe which you are taking right now, the surrounding which you are watching, maybe the light, maybe the ambience of the room. Watch every detail very keenly and watch out every breath that you are taking right now in this moment. Allow yourself for 2 minutes to be in this process, and I'm telling you, slowly, eventually you will feel that you are somehow disconnected with the feeling which you are just having right now. So when you are now all centered and at rest, now you're feeling that little peace inside because you're distracted from the thought and from the emotion. Now how does it relate to the power? So guys, the most important thing which we need to learn in our life is achieving that peace, centering ourselves to that peace and finding that peace inside us in all the circumstances. No matter if you're facing anything, but you are able to keep your mind stay calm, stay focused, it will eventually lead you to the place where things will bring peace to your life, and things will start looking better in your life. I mean, your perspective completely will change how you are looking at the things and how you're looking at the situation. It will allow you to look at the silver lining if you are able to achieve the peace. And see, I know it is difficult when we talk about it, being right and the moment maybe currently you are not in that right state, or your circumstances or the situation around you is not allowing you to snap out of it. Now in this scenario, what you can do is you can use your imagination. In this scenario, you can actually start thinking about the future, that after moving out of this situation, what it will be like, what will be your tomorrow like, how will you be feeling, and how peaceful it will make you. So the whole idea is snapping out of it. If you are living that thing, then think about the future. But if you are really not thinking it right now, or it is not happening right now, you are just reliving it from your past, or you're just assuming it will happen in the future, then it will be very easy to connect at your right moment, like right now. So as you all asked me, here is the answer to your question today, that's how you achieve your peace. And your peace is just in this moment. Whatever we all have is just this moment. So really, really focus on today, on this moment, and I can bet that you will be able to achieve that peace where you are looking out. Okay? So I hope I was able to answer your question today, and keep spreading good vibes. Keep watching my content, and if you have any more suggestions for me, please mention in the comments below. Thank you. Bye-bye.